In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Python to Metatrader 5. We'll go from finding the official documentation to setting up Python on Windows, installing the right packages, and running a simple test so you know everything is working. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without surprises. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type MT5 Python integration. Look for the official Metatrader 5 website in the results. It's important to use the official site because it provides up-to-date commands, examples, and the complete list of functions you'll rely on. Click through to the page that specifically covers Python integration. You'll recognize it by the clear references to the Metatrader 5 Python package and usage examples. On that page, you'll see the exact commands for installing the package from the command line. Make a note of the install command you see there, as we'll use it shortly. You'll also see the update command, which you can run later to keep the package current. It's a simple upgrade process, and it ensures compatibility when new versions are released. While you're still on the documentation, take a moment to scan the functions overview. This section explains what the Python package can do, from initializing and shutting down the connection to retrieving market data, checking symbol information, and working with orders. You don't need to memorize the list today, but knowing where to find it will save time later. The page also includes an example that shows how to connect from Python. Import the package, initialize the connection, check the version, and then shut down cleanly. This sample is exactly what we'll use to validate your setup. Next, install Python on Windows if you don't have it yet. Download the latest release of Python 3.8 from the official Windows downloads page on python.org. Run the installer and be sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.8 to Path. That single checkbox matters because it lets you run Python and pip from the command line without extra configuration. After installation, open a new command prompt so your path updates, and you can quickly verify the install by running a version check. If the version shows 3.8, you're good to go. With Python ready, install the Metatrader 5 module from the command line. Use the command provided on the documentation page to install the package. If you have multiple Python versions on your machine, you can explicitly target Python 3.8 by invoking pip via the Python launcher. But for many setups, the standard pip command will work as is. If your system needs elevated permissions, you can run the command in a terminal with administrator rights or add the user flag to install just for your account. To make data work easier, add matplotlib and pandas as well. These packages are widely used for analysis and visualization, and they pair naturally with market data from Metatrader 5. Install them using a single command so you have plotting and data frame tools ready for later. Now launch a quick test script. Open your editor, copy the minimal connection example from the official page, and save it in a convenient folder. Make sure the Metatrader 5 desktop terminal is installed on your machine and that you are logged in there, since the Python package talks to the terminal on your computer. In command prompt, navigate to the folder where you saved the script and run it with Python. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see output that confirms the connection and shows version details. If the script reports that it can't initialize, double-check that the terminal is running and that your Python version matches what the package expects. Finally, keep the package up to date by running the upgrade command from the documentation whenever you need the latest fixes. That's it. You found the official integration page, reviewed the functions and example, installed Python 3.8 with Path, added the Metatrader 5 package along with pandas and matplotlib, and ran a clean connection test. You now have a reliable bridge between Python and Metatrader 5, ready for research, automation, and analysis.